Today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I'm going to show you all how to make basic kitchen essentials, very simple and very easy. And today we are making brown sugar. So let's go. Alright guys, to make our homemade brown sugar, we only need two ingredients, sugar and molasses, okay? Now I'm making a not really dark, but a little bit on the dark side type brown sugar. So I'm going in with 1 cup of molasses to 14 cups of sugar. That might seem like a lot of sugar, guys, but I'm using a lot of molasses. Now, if you want a lighter brown sugar, add more sugar to what I'm sharing with you guys right here. If you want a darker type brown sugar, just add maybe like another ½ cup of molasses, or you can use what I'm sharing with you guys right here. Again, 14 cups of white sugar to 1 cup of molasses. A lot of you might not have known that's as simple as it gets to make homemade brown sugar, but that is it to making brown sugar. You guys see the prices are really getting crazy. So guys, right now, you can make your homemade and get a lot more compared to what you would get in the store. And that's as simple as it gets, guys. Look at that color. That is perfect for what we like. I use this mainly in my baking, and also my kids use it in their oatmeal, but that is pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care.